Okay, today is June 25th, Thursday, and Xavier is experiencing, to his memory anyway, I believe, his first thunderstorm. And he does not know what to make of it. He sees some thunder, he sees his good view out the window being disturbed by some rain. What you doing, baby? You see the rain? That's called rain. That's called rain, baby. Obviously Daddy is taking a little break on dressing him. He likes to fight a little bit on diaper changes, and I just don't feel like putting his pants on. It's a little too much effort. Plus it's a 90 degree day. Yeah, hi baby. Can you say hi, Dad? Can you say hi, Dad? Okay, that's good enough.